5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Aray ko!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay! Blow, 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 blow. Blow, 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 blow. One, okay, blow, blow, blow. Okay, blow.
Galing mo!
Hi, good morning. So, today is
Sana
December 13th. It's at 14th. It's Tantan and Gladys' birthday celebration. And we're staying in Loises. Pamahaw sa karon with coffee and breakfast with Philip. Gapon pa siya naabot. Say hi, baby. So, di man kami mag-vlog. So, we're gonna start vlogging today para kay Gladys and Tantan. So, hello. So, I'm gonna make breakfast. Having breakfast. Pick up ko fruit salad sa birthday ni sa party today. Libang ko.
Aray ko!
Hi! Kung ready na tayo, masugod na ang party sa 12. Mag-adto pa ko sa kay Sano kay walay sinina si Philip. So, ano lang, don't worry, dili pa ni mo akong outfit kay Sano outfit ni siya. Pagbalik, change pa tayo ko no for outfit. So, wait na po. See you shortly. Bye, baby. You're gonna stay here. Matulog sa daw siya diri kids. Para dagan ng energy. Lots of energy for Tanduay. Performance. We're going to the birthday. Alright, kiss me. Bye. Mga balita na. Dito na yung lunch meat. Lulaban. Charging. Extra prayers for safety. Init! Huwag ko yung mga sis. Init yun siya mga guys. Nakapalit na kong pen shop. Sinina ni Philip temporary. Dua ka buok, isa ka pants. Hopefully pasigo. Balik niya. So madali na kay late na ta. Ako'y problema sa yung sakyanan sis. Ang balik ko. Kanina yun siya. Oh no! Sirado na please. Sirado na. Ang sama niya. Sirado. Sirado. Sirado naman sis. Ang pag-uwi tayo sa bukuan. 2. Sis, saan ko man sis?
Aray ko!
Sis, agoy.
Sana all.
No, we're just waiting for Philip to be all ready. Hurry up, baby.
You're not ready.
I am ready.
You're not ready.
Go. So I got him his new shirt and pants. He's gonna wear his new shoes. So you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Hurry up. Sakit na ako, bilat. Fruit salad. Yay. Hi guys, so going na sa party. There is a little struggle. Look at them. holding it tight,
Protecting the fruit salad.
protecting the fruit salad.
May Tupperware.
No Tupperware, so Merry Christmas. Hi,
Alright, this is a steep part here.
Here's our birthday celebrant. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. So, muna yung mga food. Buka. Tagang food si Auntie. Hello. Waiting group. Dance room. Happy birthday. Ako na tong cake. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay! Blow, 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 blow. Blow, 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 blow. One, okay, blow, blow, blow. Okay. One, two. Okay, blow. Wow! Closer, closer.
Sana all.
Big smile, big smile, big smile.
Galing mo!
We thank you and glorify your name, Lord God. Thank you for this very beautiful, Lord God, as we celebrate the second birthday of our lovable nephew, Lord God, Chavi, Lord God. Lord God, thank you for the blessings of health, for the blessings of family, for the blessing of...
Hello guys, hi, it's from Skygo. Diet. Happy birthday, boy! Excited to rock the food. Very hungry. Ready to eat all the Filipino food. Excited? Hi, te. Oh, agwapa pa. Hello, hello. Mimi. Hi, Mimi. Kiss Mimi. Kiss Mimi. Kiss Mimi. Kiss Mimi, babe. Kiss Mimi, babe. Kiss Mimi, babe. May ab na. May ab. Kapon. Kaya pa, kuya?
Aray ko. Ah.
Sana all.
Partner, sweetly sis. Ah! Pwede na katubin.
Sa mga palit ko nga. Kuya Frank, say hi. With eyes. Ito mga patubil. Patubil sa kawasan. Pilas. Pampalangan. Sige, dito na. Sige na. Batihin na.
Sa mga sablanan ni Lida na
Hello,
bukas. Kubag.
Hello,
bukas. Kubag.
Sige. Patubil ng bayan.
But so you're now gonna start the red horse and bungak session.
Yes. We have beer and we also have brandy. Yes. Open the door.
This is our president for bungakan. Uy! Di akin kita mga red horses. Ay, sa tama sa nako. Ay, sama. Hello. Hello. Tagay na tagay.
Ako malimot ba? Mas pangap.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world.
Nawani na di atong kuan.
Sa kadiyo.
Muli na lang ka sa Amerika.
You and me can go.
Proud ko sa imo ha sis na sista. Sige na.
Timan sa ice cream. Ice cream guys. Pakita ang sipatos, sir. Pakita ang sipatos, sir. Pakita ang sipatos. Hello.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world.
Barbie, Barbie.
Thank you for the salad. It's nice. Philip's nice. The watermelon.
May saksakan din.
Adyan na lang.
Alisa, dugay pa nimo diha.
Ah! Everyone are drunk. Everyone are drunk. Pag Queenie, pinatungits naman sila. Pinabraha, dalikyat. Mga mother, ay ma. Siguro lang kay kamaay. Mara jud kag nahalingan isa ka customer nga wa kag gipagdalan og chocolate. Okay, pretty pa ni. Hello. Hi, Loy. Rere. Smile sa uy.
Sana all.
Ano pa yung mga ni Rere? Hello.
Hoy, Max! Let's go!
Kanya masimot siya.
Wow! Sis, ako may na outfit, sis, no? Glad. Ako may na outfit. Wow! Uy. Uy. I-open, open, open. Wow!
I think one of the
Sing.
Abby.
And then.
And the Gary and the wow and the Apple na. Ito, dapat lagi. Ito.
Philip.
Trying hard to capture the moment
Busy kasi ma'am.